Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Mutiara Safitri from XII Multimedia 3. Welcome back to my video. Today I want to tell you about Adobe Illustrator. Okay, do you know Adobe Illustrator? Yeah, Adobe Illustrator is one of Adobe software. Adobe Illustrator is a vector-based software so that we can make anything with vector-based. I've been using Adobe Illustrator since 2019 and I have acquired a lot Adobe Illustrator, among them poster, infographic, brochure, fanart character, and many more. And this is time I will tell you what is in the Adobe Illustrator and how to use it. Come on and let's see! Okay, so this is the look of Adobe Illustrator. I'm using Adobe Illustrator CC 2015. Above here is the the menu bar, in which there are File, Edit, Object, etc. Then, on the left side, there is the toolbar. Here is where the tools are located. From all the exciting tools, I will explanation from the function or these tools. Selection tools. The function that selects an object. Pen tool. The function to decorate object. Text tool are used to enter text. Save tool. The function to decorate object in the form of save and many others. Okay, so I will make a tutorial on how to make a tree in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, we have to create the workspace first with the shortcut Ctrl+N. Then set the paper you want to use. Once set, we can immediately make what we want. To decorate the tree, I'll use the ellipse tools and pen tool. Press the L key to the shortcut ellipse. Then make the circle shape proportion. Press the Shift key while using it. For now, I milk the branch first. Okay, I'm at to continue make this stem using pen tool. Guys, that's my explanation about Adobe Illustrator. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.